The recent launch of Axiom Space's Ax-4 mission marked a significant moment in the evolving narrative of global spaceflight, bringing together astronauts from the United States, India, Poland, and Hungary in an endeavor supported by multiple international organizations. Among the 4 crew members aboard this mission is Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla, who is a distinguished test pilot from the Indian Air Force and India's representative in its first commercial human spaceflight initiative from ISRO. He joined Commander Peggy Whitson from the United States, Mission Specialist Tibor Kapu from Hungary, and Mission Specialist Sławomir Wisniewski from Poland. Shortly after reaching orbit, astronaut Shubhanshu Shukla participated in a live interaction with the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, during which the Prime Minister asked a simple yet a profound question. What was his first thought upon seeing the vastness of space? In response, astronaut Shukla shared that the first sight from the window was that of Earth itself, and what struck him immediately was the absence of visible borders between nations, which is a realization that emphasized how different our planet appears from outer space compared to the segmented representations we typically see on maps. He noted specifically how India, often viewed in a flat, two-dimensional context on screens or paper, appeared grand and majestic from space. This reflection brings to mind the concept known as the overview effect, which is a term introduced by Dr. Frank White in the late 1980s to describe the profound cognitive shift experienced by astronauts when viewing Earth from orbit, which is a shift that transforms one's perspective on the planet, humanity, and the artificial boundaries that often dominate terrestrial thinking. According to Dr. White's work, many astronauts report a heightened sense of global unity, environmental awareness, and emotional insight after witnessing the planet as a singular, fragile sphere suspended in the vacuum of space, where the interconnectedness of all life forms becomes impossible to ignore. Astronaut Shukla's comments were delivered as a direct observation rooted in first-hand experience, and it aligns closely with this phenomenon, reinforcing the growing body of testimony from space travelers who find themselves permanently changed by the perspective gained in orbit. The Ax-4 mission, while rooted in rigorous science, engineering, and years of collaborative preparation, also serves as a powerful demonstration of how space exploration can nurture a sense of shared human identity, as 4 individuals representing different nations, languages, and institutions operate together in one of the most extreme and cooperative environments ever constructed. Within the controlled yet challenging setting of the International Space Station, their daily survival and success depend on teamwork, discipline, and mutual respect. This environment naturally cultivates the same insight described by Dr. White, an understanding that Earth is one ecosystem and one system of life. As more and more countries and organizations participate in missions like Ax-4, and as commercial spaceflight becomes more frequent and accessible, the overview effect will no longer be limited to a handful of career astronauts, but will gradually become a shared experience for a wider range of individuals, carrying with it the potential to shift human cognition on a broader scale. The transformation described by Dr. White and echoed by astronaut Shukla reminds us that the true power of human spaceflight lies in its ability to change how we see ourselves, how we see our nations, and how we see the Earth as a singular living world worthy of cooperation and respect. Stay subscribed to this channel for more videos on space technology, and do not forget to watch Hyperbolic Orbits podcast. Thank you.